Hello, this is tso.trade. Today I'm gonna show our new indicator, how to use it, how to set it up. It's a Pivots Consolidation Breakout Screener with alerts. You have a choice of 12 symbols to select right here. Just make sure when you select them, you select the correct broker, as the prices may differ. And while one will have consolidation, another will not. So if you trade on Oanda, make sure it's Oanda. So those are just notes. So just choose the symbols you want. Choose the time frame for the actual pivots. This is Camarilla pivots. And if you want some like more signals, day trade or something, they're gonna be less accurate, but just on default this is daily. But you can lower this if you wish. Yeah, this is just the colors, and this is just the table position location. So I currently have it set for forex. It can include indexes, crypto, anything you want, crypto coins. So how it works? You first set up an alert. Let me actually show it first. On any of the chart, you just right click, add alert, select the Pivots Consolidation Breakout, and select any alert function. This will create an alert for, there's an alert. Just be careful. It's gonna show here GBP USD. However, if I hover the mouse over, you can see on the left all the actual symbols. This will alert. So everything that is here, if something will form a new pivots consolidation, it's gonna alert you, and it's gonna lit up here. It's gonna say yes. As you can see, this is let me remove this. As you can see, this is the Great Britain pound and USD. It's currently within it. It is within the formation with consolidation. So it is lit up right here. Yes. As you can see, you're gonna see this two yellow triangles. The consolidation happens when R3, the newly formed R3, is lower than previous one, and the newly formed S3 is higher than previous one. Therefore, this is a consolidation. Now, once you receive this initial alert, as you can see here, this is what you're going to receive when consolidation happens. Just make sure you don't get confused, as this is going to show on top which chart you created it on. But this is where it's going to show what symbol it is alerted for. This is when you set breakout alert and then wait for it, as you can see here. And then at the breakout, you can decide if you want to open a position. Let me show you how you set a breakout alert. So perhaps we received an alert for Great Pound USD right here. Even right now, there is still no breakout. So just right click, add alert, select the indicator button here, switch to consolidation breakout. In here, put either only once if you're by your computer and you're going to be ready to open, or once per bar close. So every time there's going to be a breakout with candle bar breaking through either R3 or S3, you're going to receive an alert that there has been a breakout. And once you receive that breakout, you can decide if you want to open a position. So let me show a live example using the replay function. So this is Euro USD. As you can see, there is now no consolidations at all. So and we are currently at the session with no consolidation. As you can see, R3 is down, S3 is also down, so there's no consolidation. Let's kick it off. Let's wait for the new, there it is. Let's stop this. As you can see, there's a consolidation occurred. This is where you would get alerted with this. Boom, you have a consolidation. And it would say, Yevra USD, you have a consolidation. So in here, you would then open this breakout alert and just let it go. And you don't have to sit by the chart, just set it and wait. Once it's gonna break out, and boom, we have a breakout. As you can see, it's gonna show every time it's gonna break it, it will show it on the chart. So you received a short breakout alert. It's just gonna say consolidation breakout, but you can see this is down. These moves may be pretty big, so I left the other pivots if you want to use them as take profit lines. Same as you could use in here, you could use stop loss for R3, S4 you could do take profit 1, S5 take profit 2, or whatever. So let's see what it does. Look, it's going down. So it's going down pretty good. So these consolidations are usually really powerful. So in here, they usually do a great rundown. As you can see, a new formation started. So with the new formation, you can see it went back up. So within the formation, there was a good, nice move after a breakout. This is basically it. What else? This is gonna show chart time frame, 15 minutes. It's gonna show pivots lengths, D, which is not default. D is for day. After is D. If you set it to hourly, it's gonna show here. It's gonna show here 60, which is 60 minutes. You can see now it's a bit hectic. You have a lot of these breakouts, consolidations, and there's gonna be a lot of noise, to be honest. I mean, there's still some moves, but I mean, but you see, there's two up, long breakouts, then it's a short breakout. So you gotta be careful when especially with 15-minute time frame. It's best to set it to day. So I hope this covers everything. It's pretty straightforward. The only thing now, if you wish to actually this doesn't include backtesting. If you want backtest our new latest version of Camarilla Pivots indicator, it includes now source 4, which is exactly what it is, the same thing. But it includes take profit and stop loss. It uses the opposite consolidated pivot as stop loss from the breakout, and this one is a take profit 1, take profit 2, and then it uses a smart formula for 3 more take profits if you choose to use 5 take profits targets. So you can basically, if you purchase this indicator, and then you can either also acquire the configurations, pre-researched strategies. We're gonna have more soon. You can find your own. Then just take a note of these, add them here in the list, and then just monitor. But I mean that you would use this only for backtesting. I mean, here this is a complete indicator. It includes open, take profit, stop losses. I mean, but you could utilize both. If you wish to trade this your way, as some traders say or expect a really big move. Let's see what it does here. So see, it already went too high. That would already knock out. But some traders expect big moves. Let's exit this mode. And yeah, besides that, yeah, it's always going to show where there is current consolidation active. I hope that shows and explains everything. If you have any questions, please ask it there in comments or use our contact form. Trade safely. Thank you. And bye.